Mathematics education mediated by digital technology in public schools of the Federal District, Brazil in a pandemic context. The COVID-19 pandemic has caused obstacles to the most diverse activities around the world, and it was no different for Brazilian education. In the Federal District, face-to-face classes were closed, being replaced by emergency remote education. So, in the Federal District, the program Escola em Casa DF was implemented, a technology-mediated teaching structure for public schools in order to guarantee the right to learning. The literature indicates that school closure, among the multiple consequences, decreases the proficiency of students and increases social inequalities. Therefore, the School at Home DF program is in line with Goals 4 and 10 of the 17 United Nations Sustainable Development Goals when it promotes learning opportunities and seeks to reduce inequalities. In this context, an investigation was conceived with the following question: what are the conditions of implementation of the School at Home project, and to what extent the remote pedagogical support mediated by digital technologies in the pandemic scenario of COVID-19 contributes to the learning of mathematics in primary schools classes of public schools in the Federal District, Brazil? In order to try to answer the research question, the following research objectives were formulated: analyze the policies defined by the school's management bodies, identify the technological resources that are available to students and teachers, identify the technological and human resources that are available for the construction and maintenance of the program, characterize the digital competencies of teachers and students, analyze the practice of non-face-to-face teaching mediated by digital technologies, and evaluate the repercussion of such teaching on the learning of mathematics. In this context, a research project was conceived with a methodological option of a qualitative and quantitative nature based on the interpretative paradigm, and are materialized in a case study. The study will involve students from 41 schools distributed by 14 region education coordinations. The data collected through questionnaires, interviews, and documentary collection will be subject to descriptive statistical analysis and content guided by a system of categories defined a priori and, where appropriate, recursively. From the analysis and interpretation of the collected data, it is intended to be able to subsidize and/or qualify the public debate regarding mathematics and the use of digital resources, leaving a contribution in favor of the Brazilian society, and namely for mathematics teachers and students at primary school level.